we are see we won nipa or yet dangerous and you or bar or yet okita chameleon character. Vanessa, it's been 4 years near why are dear why shankwalari why are dear and then tika kempuntina meso mekopa bulare atwa bula de me boni chair me mama kan bofuna man fon tibi bula forgave me. So because of that I forgave you when you called me. Vanessa, when you called me with a different line, because I blocked all your numbers 4 years, I've not spoken to you. When you called me and you were begging, say I should unblock you, want me to co-parent with you, you want me to come closer to the children, you love me in your manner. Vanessa, I remember why you said all those things. You realize I was laughing because I know you are fake. I unblocked you, Vanessa. I unblocked you. What did I do wrong? I unblocked you. I started connecting with my children. Now all of a sudden, when I call you, don't pick up. When I call you, my busy. And it's not about that. It's not about you. It's about my children. It's not about you. I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to my kids. But they are small girls. 5 years, 3 years. 21st May, Ella and Bella being 5 years. 24th November, baby Kimberly being 4 years. Me who need that. And you know this thing is killing me. I mean, I dare me, Vanessa, wouldn't him how I'm crazy about these children. Who say me I've been warned from the psychiatric say, Mom, there's no way I will open Kwalani interest. Everything is about you. Oh, friend, me also back car, who see a share. Now, pursue meet me near catch up one. I'm catching say me no winnie back. So I can't make it. Ever since I told you, say, I'm a shout to back, I'm a shout, because I can make shout. Sabi, Nasa Chimmy, Dada, I'm not my doggy. Hey! Nami my doggy. Go, you are going to bite your dog. Where are you now? Sorry, people. May come back, come back. Sorry. What you say? Men shouting, Sadi Alma meaning Kwalani Casebium, interfere unfair like me so unfair like me fra on peke and I face me fra why you busy no I'm be a peke wada whether it's not about you. Amen. It's not about you, it's about the children. It is one mama bankwalano no say afemi do say ran kwalani mu biom. I have video recordings of meaning Kwalano. No post to be mobile. I tried coming back. At the oye me chiama. I'm ready to go to psychiatric. Sa ama makɔ de prison wunti. Wo sa get kroya. E wo se ma be me ma no. Won wa de afa wo ye biem ama. Won se ma pen kwala na se no asa blocking chance of me seeing the children. Hey ama. We a before what? We a before. You tell me as say obi ba life say. At this time I make my chance no. Me master chance kwala no makuma munim how crazy I am about them. Me post to where we are, me post to me no mo chat. You screenshot amu me how happy they are. Who sana ya. Who say using kwala against me bi now against our family three mu bi mo. Nya fans yes family ko wo. Emma so I'll fight to my last breath. Kwala no that bi ombenyi ehun say omunti and I said, me call psychiatric. Did them back catch on no more boots of me saying, Kalana dream about me? Be I say, my papa doesn't care. Say, if our father didn't care, why did he go to psychiatric because of us? And there are videos to prove. And you know, the first day with me, when you are Shan Kwalano, and it's me the better, me can't we, when the more to 4 ball, Bompaye, na say, Kikimi, next strike here. Now it is anyum way bong only second way what is anyum the pedjane because attack yo piao
ma mini nua mema no ne ma ni nkomo kakra hwe ensem bi sei ya na se esia se wo akiri a wan hwe abeka se bi anipa no wagimi barenye jimi da bia na meka se enu ntina edin e de tu nipa no ho on say we ni ni din sa no okratie obi ane ne nkrabia obi ane ne hyebre adana me ka asem bi kire wo se nipa miensa di aduane ane poison wom mienu wui ba ko anwu e wo se ka asem kire wo etoda ade ebekum akua ne nkum ya etoda de ya obehu obebo birimu no akwasi kohuna osere enu nti ebia na wonye emotional person da wonyame ase se obi de emotions di agora minua ana se obi de feelings di agora ehu che bibia wo wiase show yenua ba me ka se wuti a osema ko psychiatric ya chematum ugidi se DNT ene still a Vanessa frɛ no a offer hwɛ obia ni ho a wo hunu se wuo nie no se da bi me de mekeka akɔ ba bi owuo papa bia no atena abrochire empie bebre oye adwuma oka akwan mu highways ho no oye adwuma abrochire na adwuma oye no na hwa abrochire cars bebrebe yi ebi amono oba Ghana na o twa kwan mu de hu yansa ka bia soa papa yi yensomo kra na papa na wu abrante bi ogira nchen papa ipa obi a watena abrochire na krese ekwan mu adwuma highways adwuma na wo ye ehokura kanku ena Ghana ha ka ma akoma etwam ekwan wo ye kwan wo so etwam maka abo papa we die na yie kura nsese nkofo ko wawu owu fun pa ehwa abrante bi gina no sekrache ewu anipa wu asase se bia ni we ye wu fun wo wani suntia na ma men kan sa mo nkyerɛw se ni frani kura hunu so owu oba obedwane wa abra wo mpem bibia ewiase ba bia nipa wuwo wo no wo ye dan hwa na abefa no na ne hyebra nya so onwu abrochire wo so obewu onu krom ye sie na de hyisie meka kosi se hyebra ne nkrabia wo tumfo nyankopɔn nsam enu nti se wo ene nyame abɔ se wo odena mu afafunu nto wabunu odo asem e very dicey odo asem e complicated to deal with enti untimi nyina baabi nkasa funny face wagimi daabi enka bida ento yenua ba ma na mehwɛ niam a wo komu a me ebra me hu se yedena free psychiatric abafie and thanks to the manager Genesis meaning if my brother is still with Genesis working with him as a manager there the manager is very good ebra yedena ba ya me hu se brand any progress hwɛ ambassadorial deals nyina funny face Lucy die ntia odasem if you are dealing with the word love LOVE that's one hwɛ yi a minua asama beto no ebe nsem bebre and say one ma sebe enida wa mem enenye nyame na be wadom bia ansana wani mra wo so no na agina odoso oba ba akoso bema ba akoso amwa hwere wo niema nyina me kasa kire banyansafo ebetimi agina oba ba akoso bema ba akoso wo be hwere wo niema wo nyina enti ansana wonya wadwi se bia wo pesa niema ne back no menua na aka achi sabre no na niema nyina ka echi me ba cho adofo a omo brain funny face adofo a ebra niema mu ye den omo ko no mu asoso ne mu de ne call psychiatric ba ne ho to no minim funny face ba say ya sha ase nkakra say ya onso o se trigger minua emanen trigger wate emanen trigger me say de make me ntimi magina ha me blame Vanessa ne make nyina me I'm talking about odasem adia yo odasem love issues is very complicated to deal with and no one some na making because time asabi o kwose ne pena me nyina ho and na minim ne call so omu mienu ntem what transpired ma sa na ma we nyina bae ba de me ne hu hia me ye minua be ma no funny face madaroma muni ye nua be ma ne nkasa funny one kasa you know what you went through ne uko mu ankasa wunim obi nsi trodo matoa edrumre bi na nipa kura se wabodam kai accident ya ubenya ye wabra na ofrin kran ebe kumase o kan se mi sesi a hwe ade ya wo dia na ohun ene de ewo no empa ho da internet na da ono fani entwantro eniema bebre na akoso enti Ella and Bella me dem empa ibone say said ye wo ka no Kenya menka Vanessa akoma no ma hunhun kwala no sansa wo ye den a ne mane omo na emom sa masa nso a menua ni akoso bebrebe yi enkola no so mu ko school wo mu benyini on beri wo kira kwan enkwa ne hia bra enkwa ne hia o Ali Baba Foster nyuma ye mede no o se nkwa ne hia tie nkwa no boko na da bie be yie yenwu ya ye tie ase nkwa de na akwa moto ye ginyame minua hunu se sa situation we ya ema wudidi wa ferifo bi atem sebe kwase antohwe ye ntia so mprenu let me tell you funny ebi enne Ebola Father Dixon despite mo de chewa ekoto so mprenu a ye be hu se ye nida ho edu ntebe srew eni niema bi achi emma ompam wadofo a omwo ho na mpanyimfo se wonsom eni nipa yankasa ene mwa ti adofo bonyum bi wo se me frewa ageme so de sika ne omani wonya sika abu opanyin na mafoma tufuantie asembeto yare yebebo osoma sika ma agi nipa ye de sika soma nipa ye mfa nipa nsoma sika timesrew muani na ho na de ekoso ne de duro bia ne menua bema de wadwuma ene wa ho odin o enonom de yenya hunu se wagona ye betew sen hano amango si yenya hunu se wagono a ye betew sen hano amango timesrew muani miri wadwuma na de wo ye no mani hia o otumfo nyankopon na gu ahine hunu mu nsuo no daache oma no ombehwehwew kakre amaken so obefa eye minkasa nche bebre
abanyina de na de ba ye se ye sua de afiri mu na ebi mabio
ebetimi atu bia man free ne nchen mi free ama ne ho abekire no ana mi free ama bibi se yato no enti sebsei no uyo obi na utna abonten na osire eye wo de se wakwa ahohiehie mu ana se he's going out of his senses, it can also happen to you. Or don't mention a careful, and they are here because I remember Thursday, Papa be wo no frame me no say. Me pa cho me je wo number free sister Lydia ho. The entire me fro ne say. Oti hwa Vanessa, Elembela, Vanessa, Elembela nti wo hia ne ma no ene wo won nchen at least oba ebeboa. And I came, and truthfully speaking, no, I'm very happy to see him. Very happy to see him.
Odone te ko kakra na asen aba ho.
Odone tinko.
Oh, that's all. Like I said, Nakra, Unya Yanka, Obey.
Oh, David.
Style. Oh, cannot crack. And let's say, Kabia Huni, who said no, say, I need the pa. Reconciliate you once, and I say, I need the pa. And the mobile Oh, and now Unya about Frank.
Oh, David.
Oh, you bet me a special arrangement too. Sexy don't.
No,
okay. Eh.
Still not crow.
And then all that be also see a computer internet.
No, but say you crow no woman as en kai na bia.
Oh, why not?
Teacher say na Ella Nebella omokasa kakra.
It's a saying, how are you? I'm fine. E come de no beka.
Okay.
But me ohun dog a obeka, ohun cat obeka, ohun bed a obeka.
Okay.
Otimi bo me din ama, otimi kan ekua.
Okay.
Otimi kan na, otimi kan kweku.
Okay.
Otimi like small the people around, no. And your ma wota aka no. Obeka.
Oh, okay. But omunyan kan da on.
Omuka, but omunim se da ni. Be me bia ye da.
Oh, okay.
In crab in Libya.
And also, now, maybe, oh, mammy, or mommy.
Patron. Oh, feedy baby.
Oh, I don't mind the breast milk.
There be. Familiar.
Mammy said, maybe Anna, omit me and a communal labor. But also, issue nearby, you know, and send me APA out of anger. How is the family? Omo ja bibia ma na car, omo hu ne sen and I still you maybe ho ese san ye bi o ka ho.
Obi ja bibia ma me. Na na akofa benti wa kan wasem. Ono akofa benti wa kan wasem. And me na makofa ba. Minti mempo no. Minti mento na ntwene. Me ne wo ma. So if I let him be, is like me, I'm letting my kids be. And se sia me wa na bi obi frɛ. Oh, Vanessa ibia. Ya me fa masa bibia na na yawa. Me nsere ebe me ya. Because me ne woma. And I have explanation to give my kids. If it happens like that, they would grow to a point and be like, yeah, papa way. And what would you say? Me bufu nti. Senke bia me de chair na. Ka enju baby edru yen. So it's best I let go. People go into relationships and some even die. But thanks to God, I'm here. I have my kids. I have my life. So if he's saying he's sorry, who am I to hold on? I have to let go. There's nothing I can do. Mean to me, maybe me call back cry and ma. So there's this connection that is always going to be there. Saying it would have been different, but this is the case where there are 3 children, not even 1, 3. And you can't prolong or say makuma was sure. You have to give him the chance. Introduce the kids again to him. Let him feel that maybe let the kids also feel papeni, that kind of thing. So I'm ready for everything that happens.
Djka money transfer. If you are now Canada, Europe, send this canal the Abagana. So application when they say download the Djka, or download the 2 phone as well. Adaroma. Na what send this card the abroad from Ghana. Or send you use me promo code ni DJKA. And now you see ubenya $5 the account sika they all send their brand Ghana and so no yente the capre Djka amansan boafo subscribe to channel no ne press the notification button for more videos. But that's it. Macrao. Bye bye.